Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to stop losing earbuds. First, make it a firm habit to always place your earbuds back into their charging case the moment you finish using them. This simple action is your first line of defense. Next, designate a specific, easy-to-remember spot for your earbud case at home, perhaps near your keys or wallet. Finally, consider using a brightly colored or uniquely textured case. It makes them much harder to overlook. Let's explore some smart accessories. A small lanyard or strap can connect your individual earbuds, preventing one from falling out unnoticed. For the case itself, a secure, compact pouch or a carabiner clip can attach it to your bag or belt loop, keeping it safely tethered. Also, investing in earbud tips that provide a more secure fit can prevent them from slipping out of your ears during activity, reducing the chance of loss. Technology can be a powerful ally in keeping track of your earbuds. Most modern earbuds offer a Find My feature through your phone, allowing you to pinpoint their last known location or even play a sound. Make it a habit to regularly check the battery level of your earbud case. A dead battery means no tracking. Also, consider setting a quick mental reminder to check for your earbuds before you leave any place. Finally, cultivating mindful habits is key to long-term success. Before you stand up from a chair or couch, perform a quick pat-down to ensure your earbuds aren't about to fall out. Always avoid putting them in loose pockets or open compartments where they can easily slip away. Instead, develop a consistent routine of checking for your earbuds whenever you transition from one activity or location to another, making it second nature.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.